So, how to fix Instagram videos not playing? Hello guys, in today's short video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you have to do is open the settings, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Right here on this page you will find many apps. Just scroll until you find Instagram, click on it. After you click on it, all what you have to do now is click on this for stop and then go down to the notifications management. Scroll down, click on more settings, it will take you directly to Instagram app. Or what you have to do here is go to this option, it's called pause all, enable it and then disable it again. Go back, click on the storage, click here on clear data to clear all the data in the app and then click on clear cache and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to uninstall the app and install it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.